Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Zishan and you are watching my channel Bio Revealed. In this video animation we will discuss functions of plasma membrane. So let's start. First of all, we say that plasma membrane is selectively permeable. What does it mean? It means that plasma membrane prevents the free interchange of materials from one side to other, and it ensures that specific substances are allowed into cytoplasm from the external environment and inappropriate substances are kept out. The next function of the plasma membrane is transportation of solutes. Transport across the membrane may be active or passive and occur through the phospholipid bilayer or by the help of membrane proteins called transport proteins. As we said earlier, the transport may be active or passive. So now we discuss the passive transport. It is type of diffusion in which an ion or molecule crossing a membrane moves down its electrochemical or concentration gradient. Passive transport is of following types. One is osmosis and the second one we called simple diffusion. You can see in the diagram, in osmosis the water molecules are passing through the membrane. So we define osmosis as the process by which the water molecules pass through a semi-permeable membrane from a region of higher water concentration to lower water concentration is known as osmosis. So now discuss simple diffusion. How we can define it? Let's see. First we draw its diagram, then we can define it. So we define during simple diffusion, a small molecule in aqueous solution dissolves into the phospholipid bilayer, then crosses it, then dissolves into the aqueous solution on the opposite side. The next one is facilitated diffusion, the name itself defining it. Ions or molecules rapidly cross the membrane with the help of transport proteins. See in the diagram, the channel proteins or we called transport proteins are present in the phospholipid bilayer which facilitate the diffusion. The next one is active transport. It is a little bit different from all processes we discussed earlier. In this process, ions or molecule cross the membrane against concentration gradient with the help of ATP. For example, sodium-potassium pump. It is ion pump or cation exchange pump which uses molecules of ATP to export 3 Na plus ions outside the cell and 2 K plus ions inside the cell. The next function of plasma membrane is transporting macromolecules. In this, different processes are involved such as exocytosis, phagocytosis, endocytosis. In exocytosis, macromolecules such as proteins, lipids or carbohydrates are secreted out from the cell. The next process of transporting macromolecules is phagocytosis. So we define phagocytosis as process of ingestion of large size solid substances. These substances may be bacteria, food and broken cell parts. The next one is endocytosis. In endocytosis, plasma membrane simply invaginates itself and form vesicles. These vesicles are then taken inside the cell. If you really like and get some knowledge by my video, then you have choice to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Otherwise you can give me a dislike or you can comment below for your kind suggestion. Take care of yourself and your parents. अल्लाह हाफिज़।